Good morning, everybody. Lance here, Harley-Davidson, Newport Richey in Newport Richey, Florida. Today I'm here to advise you, or direct you, if you will, about the installation of sissy bars for FLs, FLHs, FLTs, 2009 and later. Over the years, since these have come out for the detachable sissy bars, I've had a lot of people inquiry about fitment. A lot of times people come in and say, hey, the sissy bar is too wide, it's not working, you sold me the wrong one. A lot of times what's going on is you're trying to mount the sissy bar back here. These two back docking points are for either luggage racks or for tour pack mounts. The front of the sissy bar simply goes right between the top of the shock and the fender strut. And what you have here is you have your locks right here. All right, and you have these little buttons, if you will. What you want to do is the buttons want to point down so that it contacts the hardware. Press down, it's going to move forward a little bit, move forward, you can hear them click, and there you go. Simple, quick, comfortable for your passenger. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 727-842-4547 or stop on in 5817 State Road 54 in Newport Richey, Florida. Have yourself a rockin' Harley day.